see the sun rising at night, the moon abandoned by darkness. I see days fleeting tirelessly like winds passing by. I hear the bell hit an uncomfortable sign. I see life being lifted with dignity. I see truth banned and stripped of its identity. I see mischief casting shadows of piety. I see frustration in the tent of sanity. I see indecency boldly proclaimed. I see immorality hospitably entertained. I see grief in every eye I see. I see confusion, I see pain, I see anguish, I see shame. I see what I wish not to see, yet I keep seeing. Is this a dream? No, this is the reality. We live in times when the clock is made to tick anti-clockwise, times of corruption, disease, and life. We are in sad times where everyone is complaining. We are going through hard times. Everyone wants the best, but no one wants to wait for God's time. We are pretending to be fine. The truth is, we are living a lie. We are all depressed, camouflaging our pain with fake smiles. Relationships are fading. Everyone claims they don't have enough time. Men are swallowing pain like pills, as society calls it being strong. Women are being objectified while society claims it's fighting for their right. The world is in chaos. Same-sex marriages are being legalized. The media pushes its propaganda. Humanity is being jeopardized. So I ask, what at all do you want in this life? What at all do you want in this life? Aisha Frimpong, signing out.